Hello everybody, welcome to online video classes. Now today we will discuss about the 8th standard geography second chapter, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Dear student, before video we will discuss about introduction this chapter and start the first point, the land. Dear student, land is among the most important natural resources. This we will discuss. Now, next part, land use. Which type we use this land? Multi-purpose uses this land. You know it? Yes. Agricultural uses, industrial, settlement, building roads, making constructions, buildings, etc. These bases are the use of land. Dear student, now there the use of land is determined by physical factors. The land use determined by physical factors such as topography, soil, climate, minerals, availability of water. Means determined by the physical factor. Means they have the effect. They have the influencing this word. They have to use this land. Topography means you know we have learned before class. There are a topography different have means land masses, plain areas, plateaus, and mountain areas. There are dividation of a land. So a multi-purposely use a plain area. So their topographies are effect. The mountain areas and plateaus areas are mostly not uses. So these are the effect. Then soil is second is means those areas have fertility soil. There are population are increasing or their settlement are increase. Again agriculture development, industrial development, etc. So soil is also determined factor have climate. This also important factor. Climate means those areas have much climate. Again, there have some humidities. Means climate which type have. Suppose a hot climate have, then their settlement is not increasing there. Those areas have good climate, harsh climate. Their settlement are increasing. So you look at example is our India, Rajasthan regions, a desertic area. There are a low population are settled, and here Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, there is a good climate. Therefore, their settlement or population are increasing. So this also a climate factor is also includes that minerals and availability of water. Minerals also. Well, suppose Chota Nagpur, Chhattisgarh, this region are the availability of minerals. Then their mining industries have developed. There are employment available. So minerals also this factor also determine the land use. And last one is availability of water. Means land is good. Like this our Maharashtra, this Vidarbha region. The black soil but the scarcity of water. That's why they are not to develop this area, but they have utter availability of water. These are our regions. So their population are increasing, means mostly their land use. Means this video or this lesson or this point what you learn or this point land, इस पॉइंट से हमें क्या समझना है कि लैंड कैसे मल्टीपर्पज तरीके से यूज होता है, और ये जो फैक्टर है टोपोग्राफी, सॉइल, क्लाइमेट, मिनरल्स, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर, दे आर द इफेक्ट, दे आर द एसेंशियल फॉर द लैंड यूज। मीन्स ये जो फैक्टर जिधर अवेलेबल है और अच्छी तरह से उधर का जो लैंड एरिया है वो क्या हो जाता है, अच्छी तरह से यूज होता है। मीन्स 100% आर यूजिंग those factors are available. Okay, so now a human factors such as population and technology, this might have a natural factor, and then the second is a human factors such as population and technology are also important determinants of land use pattern. This also human factors. What are population, which type are there? Means also educated and uneducated. This also is determined. And technologies. Then this modern period rise different technology. Then this technology using then land is also increasing. In technology जैसे increase हो गया, उसी तरह से उस लैंड यूज करने का भी पैटर्न अलग हो गया। मीन्स टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ हम डेवलपमेंट कर सकते, जैसे बिल्डिंग्स बना सकते, रोड्स बना सकते, ऐसा सम रीजंस। सो technology is also responsible factors are the land use. Okay, so now natural factor and human factor. So now next one, land can also be classified on the basis of ownership and ownership. Means the land is classified. There are two types of land. This which have a private land and a community land. There are the classified for the ownership. Two part have community land and a private land. There are the meaning of this word. Private land means own land, मेरा खुद का है, like this your farm. Yes sir. Then the second one is a community land. Community land means those are have a governmental land have this, or this land are using a common people. Means there are settlement are increasing our village. So some have a reserve forest. मीन्स कॉमन कम्युनिटी लैंड क्या है, वो कॉमन पीपल क्या करते हैं, उसका यूज करते हैं। एनी वन पर्सन नॉट हैव ओनर दिस लैंड। पूरे की पूरे जो कम्युनिटी है, पूरा के पूरा जो रिलीजन्स है, उधर वो क्या करते हैं, रहते और उस लैंड का यूज करते। दिस आर द सिंपल मीनिंग ऑफ द प्राइवेट लैंड एंड कम्युनिटी लैंड। ओके, प्राइवेट लैंड में खुद का है, मेरा खुद का है, सपोज योर फार्म। प्राइवेट लैंड एंड कम्युनिटी लैंड। प्राइवेट लैंड इज ओन्ड बाय इंडिविजुअल, whereas means private land who using an individual, one persons or one families have this owner, and community land is owned by the community for common uses like collection of fodder. Is community land जो भी I will say reserve forest, this one have a community have this, one person not using. Suppose ऐसा बोलेगा जो भी बहुत बड़ा फॉरेस्ट है और उधर से 8th स्टैंडर्ड के बॉयज उधर जाएंगे और 8th स्टैंडर्ड के स्टूडेंट ऑल स्टूडेंट उधर जाएंगे, सिर्फ 8th स्टैंडर्ड का ही वो फॉरेस्ट नहीं, they are using all over persons. So community for common uses like a collection of foods, fodder, में जो भी एरिया है वो कॉमन यूज के लिए कोई भी उधर जा सकता है, बट कंट्रोल हु गवर्नमेंट। Okay, so collection of powder, fruits, nuts or medicinal herbs, these are the they have collecting means उधर जाएंगे हम फॉरेस्ट में जाते और कलेक्ट कर देते ऐसा ना, ऐसा तो नहीं सिर्फ ये वन पर्सन उधर गया और कोई उसने कलेक्ट करता है, ताकि समझाते कि इधर माउंटेन एरिया पे जाते, हिली रीजन पे जाते, फॉरेस्ट में जाते और उधर फ्रूट्स रहते वो खाते हैं इजीली, किसी से परमिशन लेते कि अरे मैं ये फ्रूट्स लेकर खा जाऊँ नहीं। ओके सो collection of different powder, fruits, nuts or medicinal herbs. These community lands are also called common property resources. These common or community lands are also called common property resources. Means common property है, किसी एक की नहीं, like this private land is private property, किसी एक पर्सन की हो, but a common property, how many 1 2 3 like this figures not have this lot of जितना भी उधर रहते वो सब की प्रॉपर्टी हो, this a common use of a property. Okay, I hope you understood this two point of private land and community land. Community land is also called a common property resources. Okay, so now next the people and their demands are ever growing, but the availability of land is limited. Okay, remaining population are increasing day by day in our India's independent time. Suppose in 1947 to 1960, how many? Only 40 CR population in India, but now 130 CR plus. Okay, so population are increasing, so every people demands are also increasing. Yes or no? आपका भी डिमांड्स इंक्रीज हो जाता है. सपोज योर पेरेंट्स ने आपको कुछ लाकर दे दिया तो क्या बोलते आप, नहीं मुझे और चाहिए. And Diwali shopping also. This time you going out shopping any shop, then your demands is also change, no? This dress I like it. This dress I like it. Yes or no? इस शॉप में हम जाएंगे, उस शॉप में हम जाएंगे. Your demand also increasing. Okay. So, but demands are increasing, but land what है limited है. Land क्या है वो limited है. Land क्या हो जाता है वो वैसा की वैसा है, लेकिन people क्या हो जाते हैं इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं और उसी तरह से उनका डिमांड भी क्या हो जाता है इंक्रीज हो जाता है. सो प्रेशराइज कमिंग लैंड मीन्स प्रेशर में आ जाता है. अभी लैंड कितना है लेकिन उनका उसी कम लैंड पे कितना पॉपुलेशन का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बना है. सो अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ लैंड इज लिमिटेड. द क्वालिटी ऑफ लैंड also differ from place to place. Again in one simple important line, the quality of land also differ from place to place. You know, the quality of land, I mean, we have not tasting this land which type. The quality of land means suppose black soils or black type and marshy or deserty. Yes or no? कुछ तरह वो लैंड का भी पैटर्न अलग अलग रहता है. पीपल भी अलग अलग रहते हैं, अलग अलग रीजन में अलग लैंड है. इस रीजन में 2 हैंड से और अदर रीजन्स में 3 हैंड से. दिस इज नॉट. हर एक की जो सोच है, एवरी पर्सन्स माइंड आर डिफरेंट. सो द क्वालिटी ऑफ लैंड आल्सो डिफर फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. People started in crossing the common lands to build up commercial areas. Means those are have a common land, no? उस पर क्या किया है अटैक किया है. हम बोलते हैं ना अतिक्रमण. नहीं ना वन इंडिविजुअल एरिया है, बट इंडिविजुअल एरिया को छोड़कर भी पीपल ने क्या किया है वो जो कॉमन लैंड है इन उधर को इनकवरेजिंग हो गया है, उस पर अटैक किया है और उधर भी अपना जो बिल्डिंग्स बनाया है. Okay, so common land to build up commercial areas, housing complex in the urban areas, and to expand the agricultural land in the rural area. Means they have a build in a common land. Common land पर उन्होंने इनकवरेजिंग किया, वो कैप्चर किया और उस पर क्या बना, हाउसिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स इन अर्बन एरियाज एंड टू एक्सपेंड द एग्रीकल्चर लैंड इन द रूरल एरिया. एंड वो जो कॉमन एरिया है उसको यूज में लाया. यूज में मीन्स उधर सेटलमेंट थी, बट जो भी कॉमन एरिया था जो सब कुछ यूज कर सकते, लाइक फॉरेस्ट एरिया को एग्रीकल्चर के लिए यूज में लाया. यहाँ यूजिंग एग्रीकल्चरल पर्पस. So this type land use day by day. Every person's demand are increasing day by day. That's why the land are limited. But every person's community demand is also increasing. So agricultural land in the rural area today, the vast changes in the land use pattern also reflect the cultural changes in our society. Today also the vast changes in the land use pattern also reflect the cultural changes in our society. Means our cultural changing, our society is also cultural changing. That's why the land is also a change. Means हमारा जो community है उसमें क्या हुआ है, डिवाइडेशन. Means one religion suppose, I will not saying one religion's name, A religions, B religions, C religions. Suppose A religions are increasing population, then they have living a separate. B religions are living a separate, and C religions is also living a separate. Means there are settlement are in the different area. That's why their land is pattern is also a different. मीन्स उन्होंने अपना अपना कम्युनिटी का अपना अपना रिलीजन्स का क्या बनाया है, डिफरेंट एरिया बनाया. मीन्स डिफरेंट सोसाइटी उन्होंने बनाया, डिफरेंट उन्होंने सेटलमेंट बनाया. इसलिए वो भी क्या हुआ, वो विलेजेस डिवाइडेशन हो गया, वो लैंड का भी क्या हुआ, डिवाइडेशन हो गया. अगेन वन लैंड आल्सो क्या हुआ, विच टाइप आर डिवाइडेड. सपोज वन फैमिलीज हैव 3 son and this property have 3 acre. Yes, firstly there are one person cultivate 3 acre, but there are family 3 sons, then dividation 1 acre. Yes, and there also son 2 3, then this 1 acre also dividation. Means their land is limited, but population are increasing, then land is limited, stock have, land is divided. Okay, so cultural changes in our society, land degradation, landslides, soil erosion, desertification are the major threats to the environment because of the expansion of agricultural and construction activity. Which type are agricultural activity and construction activity they have developed, then some are the environmental degradation started. ह्यूमन ने क्या किया, अपना एरिया छोड़कर और भी डेवलप होना उसने सोचा, इसलिए तो लैंडस्लाइड्स होता है. लैंडस्लाइड यू नो इन माउंटेन एरियाज, the mountain in some part are coming down side. Means लैंड का जो कुछ पार्ट रहता है माउंटेन का, वो क्या हो जाता है, नीचे आ जाता है. इस टाइप माउंटेन एरिया में जो भी उन्होंने खेती बनाई, माउंटेन के जो अलग पार्ट रहता है नीचे का, मीन्स those are have the gentle slope there. उन्होंने क्या किया, उधर खेती बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिया. तो इससे क्या हो जाता है, उधर भी क्या हो जाता है, लैंडस्लाइड हो जाते हैं. डेजर्टिफिकेशन, एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्शन लेना स्टार्ट कर दिया. Those are have scarcity of rainfall, they are also started a farming. So there west type became this land desertic regions बन गया है. Again one let's say soil erosion, extra use of land. The soil erosion means ना soil क्या होना, खराब हो जाना, और transported soil एक जगह से दूसरी जगह चला जाना. These are the some other threat to the environment because of the expansion of the agricultural and construction activity. Okay, construction, MRDCs are developed, industrial development and agricultural development. In agriculture are using different fertilizers, and industry also. These are the factors. That's why environmental threats are emerged. Okay, dear student, look at this picture. What you looking? So, figure. Look at this figure. Change in the land used over time. Means time to time, this type are changes land pattern. Look at this first picture, second picture, third picture, and fourth picture. These pictures are we have discussed the next video. Now only look at this picture and what you observe. This is your homework. Okay, look at this picture and write what you looking this picture. Okay, thank you.